Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, you will see how BoldDesk autofills category and type to prevent tickets from landing in the wrong queue. Say a VIP customer creates a "refund not received" ticket. Due to the urgency, the agent moves fast and misses setting the category and type for the ticket. This small miss can lead to poor routing, inconsistent reporting, and extra cleanup work later. With field prediction, BoldDesk classifies that refund not received ticket early, so it routes correctly, your reports stay consistent, and agents spend less time doing repetitive edits. Before starting, AI Copilot must be enabled because field prediction is part of AI Copilot. If you haven't enabled it yet, check the AI Copilot walkthrough linked in the description. On the AI Copilot page, tick this checkbox to enable field prediction. Please note that predictions apply only when the target field is empty, so BoldDesk will not overwrite an existing value. Next, to configure automation to apply the predicted values, navigate to the Admin module, and under Automation, select Ticket Automation to open a drop-down. Here, select when the predictions should run. Configure the rule to run when a ticket is created, and/or when it is updated with a new message, such as a request to reply or an agent response. Note that property-only updates, like changing status or priority without a new message, will not trigger predictions. For this demo, let me select the Create Ticket Triggers option to run a prediction when a ticket is created. Inside the Triggers page, I create a new rule by clicking the Add Rule button. This opens the Choose Condition tab. Here, I type the rule name and add a brief description. Then, select the desired business hours and set the conditions that should trigger the prediction. Once done, I click Next to move to the Set Action tab. In this tab, I choose the field to be set, such as Set Category. Select AI Predict and select the needed categories. Then, I repeat the same steps for Set Type and for any supported custom drop-down field for the AI to predict. Next, click Add to complete the setup. As a recommended rule design, I use one action per field to keep outcomes auditable. This avoids conflicting actions that set the same field in the same rule. With this rule active, when a ticket is created, BoldDesk evaluates matching automation rules. If the rule includes AI Predict for a supported field, BoldDesk sends the subject, description, and latest replies for analysis, and returns a predicted value with an internal confidence score and language context. If the target field is empty and the confidence meets an internal threshold, which in some cases may appear as values such as 0.60 or higher, BoldDesk updates the field. Now, to confirm whether the prediction was applied or skipped, I open the ticket's automation history, where I can see entries labeled AI Predict, showing the updated values for category and type, along with details on when the prediction was applied. Finally, here are some limitations for this feature. Predictions evaluate only the subject, description, and the latest replies. They never overwrite an existing field value. Bulk edits and API updates that do not add a message do not trigger predictions, and after merge or split, predictions run only if the operation or workflow generates a new message event on the resulting ticket. Check out the documentation link from the description for quick tips about BoldDesk field prediction. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.